What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P again, back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean Pennington Reviews. And if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And this video pretty much is about the bearded community and why it is so freaking awesome. And I'm gonna tell you why. Because I just received a package in the mail from a gentleman by the name of Uncle Donnie. Name is Donald. And he sent me this beard butter in the mail. This is not a review. This is just, I'm just showing y'all like how cool the community is and how much a brotherhood the community is. And that's why I love this like community so much, because we support each other and whatever, you know, we are doing, whether it's starting a business, family life, whatever you're trying to do. And he sent me this beard butter in the mail. I'm going to try this on tonight. I'm not going to, well, I don't want to scoop it out because I don't want to ruin this fine texture, but I'm going to, you know what, I'm going to put it on right now. Look how smooth that is. Look how smooth. Look how it come out like butter. That's why it's called beard butter. It's supposed to be like that. Not supposed to be stiff. It's supposed to be smooth. I'm putting it in my beard now, matter of fact. So Uncle Donnie, if you watching this, I got your back, bro. I got your back. Putting it in. Oh yeah, man, I smell the lemon. Oh my God. Yes. Yes. This is not a review, I'm just putting it on because Uncle Donnie's the man. Yeah. This probably be better to wear really at night, like overnight, to let it like really kind of soak into your beard and all that good stuff. You can smell the peppermint. If you got a cold, you're trying to clear up anything, this will clear it up. But I'm putting it in, I didn't really put a whole lot, I just scooped some out to show y'all the consistency. And it is smooth, like butter. Like how I took it out like that. Like it was nothing. Like, yeah, man. He told me not to do a review, I'm gonna do one anyway because that's the type of guy I am. I support people. That's just who I am. And he nailed it with this scent. I'm gonna try this on again tonight when I co-wash my beard. I'm gonna put that on overnight. He wanted my feedback. I'm not really giving a feedback yet because I only wore it one time, so. But yeah, he nailed it with this scent, man. I'm liking this scent. Peppermint sometimes kind of is hit or miss for me because I tried the Maestros. That's not even really all natural, so yeah, if you're looking for another peppermint type scent, if you're looking for a beard butter, hit him up because he nailed it with that. It's all natural. Yeah, go with that. And he's sending out samples because he's trying to start his beard care business. So, yeah. But yeah, I like it. And I love the community, the bearded community. We always doing live chats, supporting one another, supporting each other. Like I'm feeling this scent, and this is the reason why I love this community, because it's really a brotherhood to me, and I don't take that back. I don't regret growing this beard. I threw all my razors away, even though I should have kept some so I can shape this up, but it is what it is. I'm liking this, I really am. Yeah, with the extra you got, put it on your elbows. Hell, you don't want to walk around with no ashy elbows. You don't want to look all ashy, looking like Ashy Larry. We don't want that. Put it on your elbows. Get on there. Make sure you're moisturized. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sum up this video. The bearded community is awesome. We support one another. Yeah, I'm gonna sum up this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a good rest of y'all day. And I'm out. Peace. Gotta make sure the afro is on point. Making sure I'm looking like old boy from Cooley High back in the day. Trying to get the afro on point. Make sure that I get it going. Come on, Sean, get it together, man. Come on. You gotta psych yourself up. Let's do it. I don't need no mic. I don't need it. I'm gonna spit off top of the dome. Y'all didn't hear? Me and Little Lux, we coming out with a mixtape. Gonna come out 2020. Look out for that mixtape though. You gonna love it. man, it's straight fire. I mean, I got everybody on that mixtape. Man, I'm just joking.